So now we're going to take a look at connecting to an iSCSI LUN on a NetApp from a Windows Server 2008 R2 virtual machine from an ESX host. We will now go to the virtual machine. As you can see, I've already collected the iSCSI initiator name that we need to create the iGroup on the NetApp side. But this is just the standard built-in iSCSI initiator. The only changes I've made to this VM is I've installed VMware tools, I have disabled the Windows firewall, and given it an IP appropriate for my network. You will also need to start the iSCSI service because by default it is not running. So now we'll switch over to the storage side. I will paste in the appropriate commands and we'll talk about them. So what we have here is we create a volume called Win iSCSI Vol 1. The containing aggregate is aggr 1. The size is 115 gig. As long as the size is big enough to contain your LUN, it kind of doesn't matter because flex vols are logical creatures anyway, and we can make them bigger or smaller as we need to. Next command is LUN create. We gave it a size of 95 gigs. The type is Windows 2008. And we gave the LUN a name and a path appropriate for the volume that we just created. Then we created the iGroup. We say here that it's an iSCSI type of iGroup. So the Windows type is the OS type. Then here's an arbitrary name. I gave it a name of the volume name and then also appended VM1. And then here's the iSCSI initiator name that we collected from the other screen. Right here, which is also right here. And then we mapped this LUN to that iGroup. So now we're going to go back to the VM side and go to Discovery and add a portal. This would be the address of the filer. We'll say OK. Now we're going to go to targets and have it connect to the target. On the filer side, we should now see that it logged in. We see a new session. It has logged in. So now we need to go to the 2K8. We're going to go into disk management, and we now see a new disk that has 95 gigs. Of course, we need to bring this online and then format it. Initialize the disk. GUID is better. Create a volume just like you would any other disk. It's now treated as if it is a local disk.